In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do halo blur effects in CapCut PC. If you want to give your footage a dreamy aesthetic, a soft glowing look, or a stylish blur transition at the start of a clip, this is one of the easiest effects to set up. The nice thing about halo blur is that it adds motion and atmosphere without requiring complicated keyframes or advanced editing tools, so it works well even if you're still getting comfortable with CapCut on desktop. To begin, make sure your target video clip is already placed on the timeline and that it's sitting on an open lane with enough room above it for an effect layer. Once your clip is ready, move your cursor up to the top left area of the interface and click on the Effects tab. Inside the Video Effects section, look for the search box near the top. Click into that field, type Halo Blur, and press Enter on your keyboard. This will load the matching effect in the asset grid so you can access it quickly without scrolling through the entire library. Once you see the Halo Blur effect appear in the results, click and drag the preview card down onto the timeline. Drop it onto the track lane 2 so it sits directly above the beginning of your video clip. This placement is important because it lets the effect play over the opening section of the footage. After that, move to the right edge of the purple effect block and drag it left or right to adjust the duration. If you're aiming for a fast and polished opening blur transition, keeping it around 1 to 2 seconds usually works best. A shorter duration feels snappier, while a slightly longer one creates a more cinematic reveal. Now it's time to refine the look. Click on the purple Halo Blur effect block so it becomes selected, then move over to the settings panel in the top right area of the screen. Under the Special Effects section, you'll find controls for blur, atmosphere, and speed. Increase the blur slider to make the effect softer and more diffused. Raise the atmosphere slider to strengthen that glowing halo around the image, which is what gives the effect its dreamy aesthetic. Then adjust the speed slider to control how quickly the blur animation pulses outward. Slower settings can feel more elegant, while faster settings create more energy. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the preview window so you can judge how the animation looks over your footage. When it feels smooth, balanced, and visually appealing, you're done. That's how to create a halo blur effect in CapCut PC.